Hi guys, my name is Sakshi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I am doing a what's in my bag video. So this one is going to be an exam edition, and in this one I'll be sharing with you guys everything that I'm taking for my exams. Also, since I have my exams during COVID, so I thought this video can be really helpful. So let's just dive right into my bag and see everything that I have inside it. So I have a Puma bag, and like this one is quite a classic and a basic bag. So now without me blabbering anything further, let's just dive right into my bag and just like see everything that we have inside. So there are just two compartments in this bag. First one is right here, like we have a zip right here, and then we have a bigger one on the back. So let me just open this first one for you guys and just like show you guys everything that I have inside it. So all this stuff that I will have to like reach for really often, I will be keeping that inside it obviously. So first thing that I have inside this is my wallet. So this one my sister got me for my birthday last year, I guess, and I have been using this one since then, and I just love this. It's super pretty and it's like in this pastelish pink color. So I have quite a few things over here, like I have my driving license, then I also have RC, I have some money inside this one, and yeah, just like all the basic stuff that you need. So that's what I have inside my pouch. So next I have this emergency kind of thing, even though I do have like a kit and stuff like that, but ICI don't really allow you to like take anything that's like not transparent. So I just have this thing right here, you guys can see it. So let me just open this up and show you guys what I have inside it. So I've just curated it with the basic things that I think I will need. So we have a scrunchie right here. Don't think that I'll be keeping my hair open, but just in case I do, then I'll need it for sure. Next I have a chapstick right here. This one is from Maybelline. Next thing that I have is a face mask. Like obviously you are going to give an exam during COVID, so you need to have like as many of these as possible. So I just have this one right here. Super basic, nothing really fancy going on over it, so we like that. And then lastly I just have some wipes. They are from MyGlam and they are like sanitizing wipes. They are supposed to like clean and sanitize and like moisturize. So I just have these two right here with me. And that's pretty much all that I had inside this pouch. Next, in this same compartment I have a few other stuff, like I have this spray wala sanitizer. So I personally am taking this, even though I say I haven't like guided you to like take this with you. So I'm just going to like take it out and just like spray it on the seat where I will be sitting, so that you know like it's more hygienic and stuff and just like more disinfected. So I'm just taking this with me. I don't know if they're gonna even allow me to take it inside, but I don't think they should have any problems with it. Like what the heck am I gonna do with this other than that? And I just ended up asking my dad to get this thing for me. So we have this. Next I have a few of my pens and like pencils, even though I haven't like sharpened these because ICI don't really allow you to like take your bag in the examination hall, so I won't be doing that. But I thought having some additional stationery ain't gonna do any harm. So I just have these. I have two pencils. They are like HP pencils, and then I have a pen right here. This one is a black ball pen. And the last thing that I have inside this are my earplugs. Now I will be keeping my phone inside it, but right now my phone is operating my camera, so I can't just like put that inside my bag and show you guys. But you guys know like obviously I'm gonna take my phone with me. So yeah, I just have my earplugs right here, and that's all that I have inside this first compartment. So let's just close it, and now I'm just gonna show you guys everything that I have inside this, so you guys can have like a little glimpse of what everything looks like. So let me just like show you guys what I have. First things first, I have my journal with me. I think I'm 99% sure I'm gonna take it with me. So we just have that. So this one is a mood twister journal, and I got it off of Amazon. If you want to buy it, I will link it in the description bar below. So yeah, we have that. So that's the first thing that we have. Next I have this book right here. This one is from ICAI. So ICAI sent this to like all the kids who are giving their exams for the first time, like for CA Inter. So there are just RTPs inside this, and yeah, I have solved some of them and some I still have to do. So we have this right here, and I think that this one is like the most important thing that you should be like revising if you want to revise. So I thought this will be better than taking my registers with me, because I personally don't feel like studying 15 or 20 minutes before the exams is gonna do any better. So I just thought, you know what, I should take it with me. Just if in case I want to like read something, it might as well be out of it, because like these are the RTPs, so they are pretty important. Next thing that I have are my specs. So I'm just gonna show you guys these. So that's how they look. So yeah, I just have these, and they are from Lenskart. So next I just have two folders with me. So this is the main thing that I'm going to take into the examination hall. So I have this transparent folder. They ask you to like just bring transparent things so that they can like see it really easily, and yeah, just like all that jazz. So this one is in kind of a brightish pink color, but we don't mind that. So now I'm just going to open it up and show you guys everything that I have inside it. So first and probably the most important thing is a calculator. So I use a Casio MJ12T and like it's 12 digits. So this is the calci that I use. It's super basic, and if you want to buy it, I'll link it in the description bar below. So that's the first thing that I have inside my folder. Next, I have 4 pens. That's how they look. Again, they are the only things that you can use in your examination. So I'm taking literally 5 of them. So keeping 4 of these inside this folder right here, and then 1 in my bag just in case if I need it. Next, I'm taking 2 of these pencils. They are both the HP pencils, and I will need them to fill like the MCQs and stuff. So this one right here comes with an eraser, but I also have another eraser with me. And then I also have a sharpener. Like, these are like all the basic things that you should totally have. So I also have a scale. And then lastly, I'm taking a stapler with me. Now they don't really give you a stapler, which is really weird. But yeah, so I'm taking this one with me. Next, obviously, I have a mask inside this. So this one is obviously gonna be on my face when I enter like the examination hall or like this center in general. So I thought it will be easier for me to like keep it inside my folder for now. So I just have this. So next thing that I have are these gloves. They are like these surgical gloves. I think I'm gonna wear this when I'll be going into the examination hall. So these, they have like suggested you to like keep these, but they are like more of an optional thing. But I personally feel that you should like totally take them with you at least. So the last COVID related stuff that I have is this hand sanitizer. So that's how it looks. Again, transparent. And the last and probably the most important thing that I have is my admit card. So the school in which I have to go has changed, which is great because it's much closer to my house now than it was before. So we really appreciate that. I just have my admit card right here. So yeah, this is the last thing that I had inside this folder. So next I have a water bottle inside my bag. That's how it looks. Again, transparent. This one is from Milton. And lastly, I have the copy of my Aadhaar card. I honestly have no idea if they want you to like take it with you, but I personally feel that it's better to have like a proof or something of yourself. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna take like the original Aadhaar card as well. So yeah, this is the last thing that I have inside my bag. So yeah, that's pretty much all that I had inside my bag. So now I'm just gonna put everything inside it later. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. I think I'm gonna schedule this video for 22nd of November, and that's the exact day on which I have my examination, like my first exam of intermediate. So please wish me luck in the comments bar below if you have come this far, and thank you so much for supporting me. And it's like everything that you guys are doing for me, it means a lot. So this video is gonna go live in the morning. So if you are giving the examination on this particular day, then all the best and you got this. So with that, I think I should just like end this video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and hit that subscribe button, the bell button. Give this video a like, and just like comment below something positive and stuff. And I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye bye.